What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So I'm excited today. Man, I've been talking about this for a very long time. Support. I got the LG V60 and it just received Android 11 with January 2021 security patch. Now I know we're about to hit March, but hey, guess what? An update is an update, and this is a major update. Android 11. So a lot of you guys was hitting me up in my comments. I've been getting emails and DMs about Easy. Is it hope for us LG fans? Is LG listening to the LG community? I don't know. Let me give you my thoughts about LG. Sit back, relax, get your popcorn ready, and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So is it hope for LG? Is it hope? Man, LG V60, the only device on the LG's mobile space that's running Android 11. Listen, I got two LG Wings, I got the LG Velvet, and both of these devices is running Android 10. The LG Velvet is running Android 10 with September security patch on it. The LG Wing is running Android 10 with January 2021 security patch. I also have the LG G8 that's running Android 10 with December security patch on it, and I got the LG G6 running Android 8.0 with no security patches in sight. So is it hope for LG? Look, we got the V40 out there, the V50. We got a lot of those devices out there that people looking for updates. I mean, everybody waiting on Android 11. Listen, man, we a few months before Google released Android 12, and now we start to see, you know, at least one of LG devices getting Android 11. All right, so here it is, Android 11. Now, I've been using this device with Android 11 for about 24 hours now. I want y'all guys to see this. Android 11, right? And what I'm looking at this device with Android 11 with, listen, January 2021 security patch, I get excited because, you know, a lot of people, and we're hearing so much bad news about LG and about the rollable devices getting canceled. We haven't heard anything about the V70. We haven't heard of anything about the LG Wing 2. We haven't heard anything about the Velvet 2. So all of that's on the hold, but we got one of the last Mohicans that's getting an update. Let's talk about Android 11 on the LG V60. Now, as far as the icons, pretty much all the icons look the same. As far as speed, I mean, the LG V60 was already fast, so look like it has got a little snappier. So I do want to say that it did get a little snappier on Android 11. So when we go into the menu system on Android 11 versus Android 10, everything pretty much looked the same on the menu system. I got the LG Wing here. Pretty much everything is uniform across the board here, except on the LG Wing, the Verizon wireless one. You do have some differences there. I talk about that in another video about some of the differences there. The Verizon wireless unit kind of frustrated me a little bit because a lot of things is reworded, a lot of things is changed. The software is tweaked a little bit, and I didn't like it, so I talked about that in the video. But looking at this here, everything looks pretty uniform for the most part. Now, with the LG V60, you do have access to the dual display. So once you put it in, some people complained about the dual display that sometimes it didn't want to connect. Sometimes you had a green haze on it. Sometimes some people had issues with the display. Oh, and so look like we do have a firmware update for the dual display. All right, so this is the first time I put the dual display on the LG V60. So it does have a firmware update for the dual display. So let's go to install that. All right, and now it's saying it's doing a firmware update. All right, so it's doing a firmware update here on the LG V60, which, hey, listen, I didn't test out the dual display when I did the update the last 24 hours. So as soon as I popped in the dual display as I be recording this video, is asking for a firmware update. So let's go and let that update and I'm come back. Okay, so the firmware update is done on the LG V60, and so that should have fixed some of the issues that a lot of people probably was having, that once you put in the dual display, sometimes it didn't connect properly, or you got to, you had some dual screen issues. Sometimes you had a green haze on it, and I saw a lot of people post that online that they had some issues with their dual displays. So hopefully this firmware update will fix that. I always did like the dual display. It brings a lot of functionality. I made a lot of videos about the dual display, so hopefully y'all guys have watched those videos. But yeah, here we go, dual display. And look, one of the things that I do like about the dual display is that if you don't want it, you want to keep it on the case on the device, you can always just fold it back and you're good to go here, and you can use a single display. And when you want to do display, you just pop it open and here it is. So the bigger question is, will LG update their other devices as far as the LG Wing and the LG Velvet? Also some of their legacy devices. I mean, I would like to see the LG G8 get Android 11. Look, that's wishful thinking, I understand. Let's start with these devices first. But I would love to see the LG G8 get Android 11 because it's a fantastic device. Now, I talked about the LG G6, right? Man, I mean, like, LG really forgot about this device. This device did not get Android 8.1. I mean, this device got lost in the shuffle. And the LG G6 was one of my favorite phones. And after, Android 8.0, it was done. Yeah, it's an older device, but so what, man? So what, right? So this device is running Android 8.0, right? Android 8.0 with 2019 security patch. It's still a really good phone in my opinion, but I do understand. I mean, LG gave up on this device, and that's a shame, like, right? So, I mean, the Samsung is giving you 3-year promises. I mean, LG is only giving you a 2-year promise, and they need to change it to a 3-year promise. But at least they could, do security patches and stuff with the older legacy devices. But there it is, man. I mean, look, I am so excited to see the LG V60 get updated, man. Like, I'm excited for this. I didn't see anything that was like groundbreaking new, so I could, talk to you guys out about this device. I'm not seeing anything that's like, different from what you already have. So I would tell you that if you got the LG V60, and I know a lot of you guys do, and a lot of you guys been hitting me up in the comments saying, Easy, I got Android 11 on my LG V60. They heard our call. I am with y'all guys. Look, I want to give a huge thanks to the LG community. Y'all guys has been great, right? Y'all guys have supported this channel. Y'all guys have kept me up to date on everything that's going on with LG. So I want to give a huge thanks to the LG community. Man, praise y'all guys, man. Look, I'm with you. I'm an LG fan, but I am a true techie. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think. But the LG V60 and Android 11, I'm gonna test the cameras out too. We gonna see what it's all about. I'm gonna do some camera reviews with this device and see how good the cameras are. So stay tuned and subscribe. This is Eric. See you guys on the next video. Peace.